Sensibility and practicality define the 2018 Toyota Camry. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as leather upholstery, a blind spot monitoring system, fully automatic headlights, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.